In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cinema 4D with After Effects, creating new scenes and importing 3D files. We'll cover 3 practical ways to get 3D into your After Effects workflow, keeping everything clear and connected so you can move confidently between both apps. First up is starting a new 3D scene directly from After Effects. Open After Effects and go to File New Maxon Cinema 4D file. Choose a location to save and Cinema 4D Lite will launch automatically. This creates a linked .c4d file for your composition, so anything you build or animate in Cinema 4D Lite is tied back to After Effects. Think of it as a live bridge. Model, animate, or tweak inside the Cinema 4D interface, then return to After Effects and your changes appear in your timeline. This is great for quick experiments or building simple motion graphics without leaving your project. For best results, keep your project assets organized and use clear naming so materials and textures stay connected. Next, let's bring in an existing Cinema 4D project. In After Effects, go to File, Import File, and select your .c4d project. After Effects will generate a composition with the 3D file, integrated as a layer you can position, scale, and animate just like other layers. You're not rebuilding anything. Your Cinema 4D scene stays intact. This is perfect when you've already done modeling and animation elsewhere and simply need to composite, add graphics, or color treatments. If your project references textures, make sure those files are available on your system and organized alongside the .c4d file to avoid missing assets. Finally, if you have 3D models from other programs, you can import those too. Export your model from your 3D software in a compatible format such as .obj, gltuf, or .fbx. Then, in After Effects, drag and drop the file into the Project panel or go to File, Import File. From there, create a new composition from the imported file. This is a handy way to bring in assets from various pipelines without converting everything to a Cinema 4D project first. Keep an eye on scale and units so models arrive at a sensible size, and store textures with the model files to maintain materials. Whether you're creating a fresh scene, importing a full Cinema 4D project, or bringing in standalone 3D objects, these methods let you stay in After Effects while taking advantage of powerful 3D capabilities. Save often, keep assets tidy, and you'll have a smooth, flexible 3D workflow from start to finish.